I'm talking on a phone, like, suddenly it has shaking like my table and as well as my diary as well as my mobile. Suddenly I saw. Then I feel that what happened, what's happening. Then I feel that I suddenly my BP gone up or what. But my colleague is coming, ran away from Aziz, go, get up, we'll run. Everybody is coming. Then suddenly it is like, people are become mad,
The second tremor was felt like I think +5 or something.
Yeah, the whole chair was moving and I thought maybe I'm getting a headache or something. I stood up again, sat down, again the chair was moving. So one of my office person told me just evacuate the building, it's a big earthquake.
No, actually when I was sitting on my seat, it was literally shaking the chair, and then I just ran out and just came from the steps and came down. So yes, their office was completely shaking, and it was there was no standby. It was on a continuous 1 minute. I could feel the earthquake.
My glass over there in the table, it was shaking. So immediately I spoke with my colleague. He also told me the same thing. So we started running out of the office.
What?
There will go.